My name's Jason Seavold. I'm out of Columbus, Ohio, just north of there out of Delaware, and this was a 6.5-year build. It's a quick build, very slow. Made as many modifications and upgrades as I could. It has the AVIATION 390 in it, Thunderbolt, from the Lycoming shop, and I've got the Hartzell 76-inch composite prop to try to move the CG aft because of the bigger engine, because I also have the inverted fuel system and 4 pipes. But it's not a light one. It's at the upper limit of what most people consider acceptable. I've got full leather, heated seats, and it's full IFR, and just try not to spare any expenses with it and just build the dream plane that I never need to upgrade or sell. I've been completely happy with it. It's really, these vans are amazing planes, and it really does aerobatics, and it does cross country, and I'm getting speeds. I can true at 180, so I had bigger, more expensive planes I can't afford anymore. This really does it all. So I've been very happy with this build. One of my favorite parts about the plane is the paint job. I wanted to do a military tribute, and I'm just blown away by how amazing the F-16s out of Eielson Air Force Base in Alaska look, the aggressors, the Arctic aggressors. So I picked a paint shop that turned out to be one of the best decisions I did. It's Jonathan McCormick, who has Plane Schemer, and it's Evoke Aviation down in Gadsden, Alabama. And you can take a look at the paint job. It's a soft line camo, which is one of the hardest ones to do with just the logistics of painting. And Jonathan looks at details, finishing, just every little bit, the pinstriping. If you look at the Arctic Fox here, you can find a video online of him hand painting that. I truly mean this. If you want a top-notch paint job, I would highly recommend Evoke Aviation with Jonathan McCormick. He'll paint it and he can design it, and I think the best is to let him either do your design or finish your design and then have his paint shop paint it. And I've not yet met one of his customers that wasn't happier and more pleased with the outcome than what they had even hoped for. So I love you, John.